Hello and welcome. This is Plain Dad, and this is how to upload your certificate to LinkedIn profile. So open up your LinkedIn app and then tap on your profile icon at the top left. So tap on it again or view profile. And in here, you'll be able to see a lot of add to profile button. So just tap on it and you'll be able to see there the recommended one. Tap on the drop down one of the recommended section. You'll be able to see there the add license or certifications. And in here, you'll be able to add your certification in whatever type of category it falls under so that it sure may be a legit one if the other clients see your profile. So after filling out the information such as the URL, if you have a third party site that you have their certificate on, tap on save and just tap on next or skip. That should be it.